You might be feeling the sting of betrayal. You might be asking yourself, why me? How did this happen? And most importantly, what do I do now? This hypnotherapy or guided meditation session will help you to navigate the flood of emotions which overwhelms us. Shock, anger, hurt. The foundation you believed in has crumbled. So, to our returning members, welcome back to the soothing embrace of your subconscious. You've felt the tranquil depths of our sessions before, and we're thrilled to guide you once again. To our newcomers, let anticipation dance with curiosity as you embark on a journey to the wondrous realms of your mind. Here, only positive thoughts reign supreme. I'm Quentin, known as Q, your guide on this voyage. Don't listen to this recording while driving or operating machinery. Make sure you are somewhere you will not be disturbed and you can fall asleep without causing yourself or anyone else any harm. If you can't spend 15 minutes right now to invest in your own well-being and confidence, simply click Watch Later and come back when you can fully enjoy the experience. Now, as you surrender to the warm, comforting sound of my voice, feel yourself drifting into serene tranquility. Notice how your breath becomes a gentle rhythm, a natural response to the profound relaxation washing over you. And with each exhale, feel the weight of your world lifting from your shoulders as your limbs grow heavy with profound ease. Feel a sense of relief, security, and complete comfort. Take a deep, nourishing breath with me. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs to their fullest capacity, and then exhale completely, releasing any lingering tension. Let's repeat this a few more times, allowing each breath to carry you deeper into this blissful state of mind. As you continue to breathe, feel happiness cascading through you, layer upon layer, until you're cocooned in a tranquil sanctuary of peace. And if you haven't already, allow your eyelids to gently drift closed, like velvet curtains, surrendering to the soothing darkness behind them. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into this serene state. Now, let's embark on a journey into a deeper, even more tranquil state of mind. As I count from 10 to 1, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of blissful relaxation. Starting with 10, feel yourself already beginning to drift into a serene state. 9, gently surrendering to the soothing embrace of tranquility. 8, this is your time, your sanctuary of peace. 7, going deeper still with each passing moment. 6, releasing any tension, letting go completely. 5, here in this moment, there is only you and the gentle rhythm of your breath. 4, drifting effortlessly into a state of profound relaxation. 3. Deeper, drifting deeper into the tranquil depths of your mind. 2. Letting go completely as you surrender to this blissful sensation. 1. Fully and completely relaxed. Take a moment now to bask in the warmth of this profound relaxation. Allow yourself to luxuriate in this peaceful state, knowing that you are safe and secure. If any thoughts arise, simply remind yourself, clear and focus, and watch the thoughts gently fade away, leaving behind a tranquil stillness. And notice how, as you relax, your breath becomes a gentle whisper, slowing down with each passing moment. And as your breath slows, so too does your mind, weaving a tapestry of serenity with each inhale and exhale. Focus your awareness on the rhythm of your breath, allowing it to guide you deeper into relaxation. Feel the steady beat of your heart, reassuringly anchoring you in the present moment. Now, relax your body. Make a mental scan of your entire body, starting at the top of your head and working all the way down to your toes. And as you focus on each part of your body, allow any tension to release. Let those muscles relax completely. Life, like the sea, has its ebbs and flows. At times it brings wonderful moments of joy and connection. But sometimes waves of betrayal crash over us, leaving us adrift in a sea of confusion and pain. Cheating can shatter our perception of love and trust. It takes the beautiful memories and taints them with doubt and sadness. And in that moment of discovery, a flood of emotions overwhelm us. Shock, anger, hurt. The foundation we believed in crumbles. But here's the thing. You're not alone. Your feelings are valid. And it's okay to not have all the answers right now. Healing from infidelity is a journey. And like any journey, it begins with a single step. And that step is self-compassion. Start by allowing yourself to feel. Cry if you need to. Scream if you must. Write down your thoughts. Talk to a close, trusted friend. Reach out to family members for support. Express your pain in healthy ways. Therapy, like listening to this recording, is a powerful tool. It provides a safe space to process emotions and gain clarity. Rebuilding your life post-betrayal involves reconnecting with yourself. Rediscover your passions. Surround yourself with supportive people. Allow joy and happiness back into your life. Remember, you're stronger than you think. This pain will not define you. It will shape you. refine you, and ultimately make you resilient. There is no blame, no judgments are being made. You invested so much, but it didn't yield any dividends. Yet you have all your capital intact. Now you're strong, experienced, ready for that next exciting chapter in your wonderful life. So, like a tiny, seemingly unimportant caterpillar, you're now able to become a beautiful butterfly. You can fly and excel in your new ideal world. Embrace this opportunity you've been blessed with from this experience. Now picture this. You're on a quiet, sandy beach. The sun just moments away from dipping below the horizon. It's that peaceful time of day, perfect for reflection. Now with a stick, or even your finger, write the cheetah's name in large, deep letters on the sandy shoreline. Observe the waves gently washing in and out, gradually fading the letters. And each successive wave makes the name less visible until, finally, one last wave erases it completely from sight. What once was us is now just a fleeting part of your life. Realize now that nothing in life is permanent. Everything passes, the bad and the good. Your journey continues, now on a stronger, different, clearer path. And as you move forward, the road ahead comes into sharp focus. You start to see what you've been missing, and paving the way for a brighter future. So feel empowered and optimistic, knowing that your path ahead is illuminated with new possibilities. In the end, the waves of life will keep coming. Some will bring storms, but others will bring new beginnings. Embrace your journey, heal at your own pace, and know that brighter days are ahead. Now you can stay in this beautiful state of relaxation and just gently drift off into a deep, relaxing sleep, waking naturally when your body is ready. Or if you wish to wake now, just gently open your eyes and have a stretch. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Remember that together we are stronger.